Good day. Live at the Palacio de Cinzas here in Kaikoli is the GX Foundation based in Hong Kong. They are officially presenting the results of Timor-Leste's project, which includes the handover of water purifier aimed at supporting public health and reducing mosquito-borne illnesses like dengue. Emphasizing more on the ceremony is the highlight from the CEO of the GX Foundation and the Director General of Policy Planning, Cooperation and Health Development.
Today we also shared in 2025 the results also appear to be very positive. For the first 3 months, we have again continued with a reduction of the incidence of dengue, and 5 of the 40 municipalities actually have 0 case. In addition to that, today in the ceremony, we are also going through a ceremony of donating 100 nanotechnology water purifying machines for the community. This will be able to provide free water access to the church, to schools, to the ministry, to the hospital. But the other important co-benefits of the water project is that it may reduce 3 million plastic bottles per year if it is used. So we are also very excited and look forward to share more about the results.
The cooperation between Ministry of Health and the GX Foundation has been established since beginning of the year 2024. And for that cooperation, we have established, especially for the project intervention for the dengue in the country, and also support the establishment of the water filtration direct drink in all health facility. And the project has shown that the huge contribution of the reduction of dengue in country, and number of cases was reported since January up to March. No dengue cases reported in 5 districts in Timor-Leste. So we have analyzed the data and compare with the last year, first quarter of 2024. That's huge improvement, and reduction of the data of the cases was 10%. From compared with the data report on first quarter of 2024. And the Ministry of Health, again, we would like to thank and appreciate the support and the collaboration and cooperation support through the cooperation between the Ministry of Health and GX Foundation. And GX Foundation also not only support for the water installation, but as well as support for dengue rapid tests and also other equipment, which has, as you may also see during this ceremony, that report that number of cases in reduced rapidly. So that's a huge contribution, as well as that through the collaboration that we have established and the data showing that the number of cases is reducing by the first quarter on this year 2025. And again, on behalf of Ministry of Health, I would like to thank and appreciate the cooperation being established between GX Foundation and Ministry of Health Timor-Leste. We look forward this cooperation will continue strengthening in the future between both parties, GX Foundation and the Ministry of Health.
A recent publication in The Lancet highlights the success of this initiative, showing that physical vector controls efforts in Timor-Leste, including anti-mosquito kits, diagnostic tools, and awareness campaigns, led to a significant drop in dengue cases, including a 31% reduction in Dili alone. This event marks a strong step towards in public health partnerships, with both sides committed to building a healthier future for the people of Timor-Leste. That is all for today. I'm Digna. Thanks for watching.